is Anna, this is Alex.
Hi!
Welcome to the Yaffie Dreams channel. Today we will be shooting our Peasant Cinderella project.
I'm spending all my time with you, driving through the states. Don't know what awaits. It don't matter. I'm spending all my time with you. I'm spending all my time. I'm spending all my time.
So, today we're shooting in the new location. On the background we have the beautiful location, as I call it Enchanted Hut, because it kind of reminds of the magical house or something. And we're shooting snow right here. Masha, say hi.
Hi.
The other location that we're gonna be shooting at today is this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.